feeling, and her name was Pressure. See, we be making love constantly, that's why my eyes are ashamed. Blood burning, the way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high up your love, I don't know how to see.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for stopping by. In today's video, we are working with AF Sister Wigs. They were so nice to send me out this beautiful 360 lace wig. This is their loose wave texture. I got it in a 20-inch, and yeah, this is their invisible strap. So let me tell you about this. Normally on these type of wigs or all wigs, they would give you an adjustable band in the back, but they have come up with the technology with this invisible type of stretchy band. It's real stretchy. You can pull those straps and it will scrunch up the back of your wig, so the nape area, which is really cool. So if you were to wear this wig, since it's a 360 wig, if you wanted to wear it up in a high ponytail, you can do that, and you can get a tighter fit in the back with those invisible straps. And I wanted to show you all the hairline to y'all. This is HD invisible lace, and this is the hairline, y'all. I did not have to pluck anything on this wig. When I say this wig is great for beginners or great for those who don't want to spend all day plucking, babe, the hairline is what you need. The hairline is what you need. Now this wig does come with an elastic band as well. I put this wig on without the elastic band, but one thing I can say is that for me, I would like to next time I would apply this with an adjustable or an elastic band, because the wig for me it was a little loose. And of course, because it is a 360 wig, it's big, you know, it wasn't too big for me, but in the hairline area, it started to like buckle up. You will see it as I'm installing the wig, it buckled up in the middle. So I had to like tighten it up with the adjustable bands in the back, and just like try to like, you know, pull it as tight as possible so it wouldn't buckle. But I know if I would have had the elastic band on while installing this, it would have laid a lot flatter. So just keep that in mind. But all in all, y'all, this wig was so beautiful. My favorite part of the wig is, of course, the lace. Hands down, the lace is the HD, is invisible. Like, you really do not have to use any foundation or powder to match this with your skin. I did put some under, and to me it kind of made some of my lace a little dark. I mean, especially applying this with my bedhead hardhead spray. For me, it can kind of make your lace look darker, because that's a wetter consistency than glue. So it just, yeah, for me it looked a little dark. So if I was to do this again, I would not even put any foundation on the bottom of the lace. Maybe the top of the lace once it was all done, but putting it on the bottom and the top, it was not necessary for me. But yeah, the lace was my favorite part. I also did enjoy the 360 aspect of the wig. I like being able to put it in a ponytail. I'm not one that does that with my wigs a lot. But if you want to switch up your wigs and you wanted something more versatile, this wig would be a great fit. The ponytail, I'll show y'all me putting it in a bun, or you'll be able to see it in the video. It looked cute. You know, I finessed it for the video, but if you really like wanted to like style it up, and put it in a bun, it would look super cute. So yeah, y'all, I have nothing else to say about this wig. I had a great experience while installing this wig and styling this wig, and I had a great experience with the company as well. I have worked with AF Sister Wig for quite a few wigs. It's been a minute since I worked with them, so to see their quality still hitting, it's still top tier. Lace is still, I mean, lace been good since like we've been talking about lace frontals. The lace has always gave what it needed to give, y'all. So definitely check out AF Sister Wig if you're interested. All of their information and specs are in the bottom, or are in the description box of this video, and tell them Alexa sent you. Yeah, y'all, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the clips. Big thank you to AF Sister Wigs for allowing me to try this wig. And I thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I'm gonna talk to you guys later.
But I think I'm here to solo, who my niggas don't want. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I think y'all hear brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar, I want some of your brown sugar. Show me your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. And some of your brown sugar, some bad brown sugar. I want some of your 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 brown sugar. Show to me, babe. I want some of your brown sugar. 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 About this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade bloodburn. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing. What I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar.